A lot of the newer vehicles these days, you do have the facility that will enable you to play your music using a memory stick, and most importantly, the facility for hands-free with your mobile phone. If you do not have these facilities, this Bluetooth FM transmitter may be of interest to you. It is a single unit that simply plugs into the cigarette lighter socket on your car or truck. I will leave a link in the description below for this Bluetooth FM transmitter. The manual is easy to follow and in good English. The unit itself is well constructed and made from injection moulded plastic. I have seen a number of these. This one is definitely ticking all the boxes in quality. The input voltage range is excellent, covering 12 to 24 volts DC. There are two USB outputs, USB-A and USB-C. These cover all the necessary voltages and currents that you would expect from these outputs. A lot of thought and attention has gone into the build of the unit with regards to each of the card slots and the button round the outer edges. The functionality and ease of access to each of the control buttons and knob is very good. The screen is multifunctional and extremely easy to see. Remove the screen protector film before use. There is a total of two charging interfaces, one for Type-C and one for USB-A. These have an output of 5 volts and a charging current of 2 amps for the USB-A and 3 amps for the USB-C socket. As you can see here, there's a lot going on the front of this unit. I would suggest you read the manual thoroughly before using it. Gold-plated pins have been used in both charging sockets. This will help with connectivity. The protruding knob in the centre is multifunctional. The plug connections are of good quality. Each connection on the plug is spring-loaded. This will ensure that there is a good connection electrically and the plug will stay in the socket without moving out, especially in a moving, vibrating vehicle. The mood lighting LED around the outer edges can be changed and altered. This is simply done by pressing the orange button repeatedly to change colours. Pressing and holding will pulse the lighting, or the lights can be turned off if not required. This Bluetooth FM transmitter utilises the car radio for your audio output. You will need to find an unused frequency on your radio and tune the transmitter to that frequency. To change the frequency, simply press and hold the button until the frequency display flashes and change the frequency accordingly. Press and hold the button again to select the frequency. To increase or decrease the amount of volume, simply rotate the knob clockwise or anti-clockwise accordingly to get the correct volume of your choice. Both the USB-C and USB-A sockets can be used for charging. The power distribution port is on the left and quick charging 3.0 USB port on the right. You do have the facility to use a memory stick to play your music. The Bluetooth FM transmitter will recognise when you plug in a memory stick. Simply put on all your favourite tracks on your memory stick and you will be able to step through, up or down to each of the tracks of interest that you want to play. As with any other Bluetooth device, you will need to pair it with your phone. When you first plug in your Bluetooth FM transmitter, the Bluetooth icon will flash indicating it's in pairing mode. On your mobile phone, simply select C87B. A micro USB or TF card can also be used if required. Simply push the card in the slot as shown. That's the setup nearly completed now. We now need to move to the car vehicle and plug the FM transmitter into the cigarette socket on your car. As I mentioned before, find a clear frequency on your radio, tune the FM transmitter to that frequency and select it. When selected, unplug and replug in the FM transmitter.
Normal voltage.
You will hear audio prompts.
Waiting for connection. Bluetooth connection success.
Plug in your memory stick with your music on. It will recognise it.
Normal voltage. Waiting for connection. Bluetooth connection success.
It will initialise each time you plug in a new memory stick.
UDisc player.
Simply select the track that you want, or it will play each track individually one by one. If there is an incoming call, the music will stop and restart again when the call is finished. The transmitter does have a built-in microphone. To answer the incoming call, press the mode button. To reject an incoming call, press and hold the mode button, and to hang up, press the mode button again. Whether you're playing music or answering a call, you can still charge up your mobile devices. If you do not have all these facilities to play your music or hands-free, this unit is well worth considering. I hope you found this information of use to you. Thank you for watching.